Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams channel. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from rural welfare oriented programs. First question: Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Prime Minister's People Money Scheme, was started by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Option A August 15, 2014. Option B October 2, 2014. Option C September 1, 2014. Option D August 28, 2014. Answer: Option D August 28, 2014. Second one, Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan Yojana is associated with Option A construction of houses for low income groups. Option B community toilets in slum areas. Option C development of rural poor. Option D development of urban poor. Answer: Option B community toilets in slum areas. Third question: in the Union Budget 2013-14, 1,000 crores has been allocated for funding women empowerment and safety. The name of the fund is called Option A Abhaya Fund. Option B Nirbhaya Fund. Option C Saubhagya Fund. Option D Sumangali Fund. Answer: Option B Nirbhaya Fund. Fourth question: Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, a scheme under which each MP has to select a village and make it as a model village by 2016, was started by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Option A October 2, 2014. Option B December 25, 2014. Option C October 11, 2014. Option D August 15, 2014. Answer: Option C October 11, 2014. Fifth question: should a cooperative society necessarily be registered? Option A yes. Option B no. Option C if member insists. Option D if it wants to open a branch. Answer: Option A yes. Sixth question: the minimum number of members required to form a cooperative society is Option A 8. Option B 10. Option C 12. Option D 5. Answer: Option B 10. Seventh question: what is the basic feature of cooperative society? Option A availability of consumer goods at one place. Option B cheaper rates and good quality. Option C sales to non-members. Option D both A and B. Answer: Option D both A and B. Eighth question: which year did cooperative society come under state government? Option A 1900. Option B 1889. Option C 1919. Option D 1947. Answer option C 1919. Ninth question. Under which law did cooperative society be registered? Option A Establishment Law. Option B Cooperative Society Law. Option C Income Tax Law. Option D Society Law. Answer option B Cooperative Society Law. 10th question. What is the main aim of the cooperative movements? Option A service, not profit. Option B should be run by women. Option C to be independent of government. Option D service mainly to members. Answer option A service, not profit. 11th question. The program Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is aimed at option A providing free food for the poor people. Option B providing education for children. Option C providing final assistance to unemployed. Option D providing free medical aid to the poor. Answer option B providing education for children. 12th question. TRISOM deals with training of option A young scientists for employment. Option B rural youth for self-employment. Option C young students for employment. Option D young women for employment. Answer option B rural youth for self-employment. 13th question. Which of the following is exclusively concerned with the credit needs of all types of agricultural and rural development in India? Option A IBRD. Option B RBI. Option C NABARD. Option D SBI. Answer option C NABARD. 14th question. Which of the following programs meets the credit needs of poor women? Option A Indra Mahila Yojana. Option B Mahila Samriddhi Yojana. Option C Mahila Samakya Program. Option D Rashtriya Mahila Kosh. Answer option D Rashtriya Mahila Kosh. 15th question. In Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan scheme, government has targeted to ensure universal access to secondary level education by the year option A 2015. Option B 2016. Option C 2017. Option D 2018. Answer option C 2017. 16th question. Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana has been launched in option A 1st April 2001. Option B 25th September 2001. Option C 30th September 2001. Option D 29th September 2001. Answer. Option B 25th September 2001. 17th question. Kutir Jyoti scheme is associated with Option A promoting cottage industry in villages. Option B promoting employment among rural unemployed youth. Option C providing electricity to rural families living below the poverty line. Option D all of the above. Answer. Option C providing electricity to rural families living below the poverty line. 18th question. Pradhan Mantri Bharat Jodo Prayojana is related to Option A communication. Option B social integration. Option C linking of rivers. Option D development of highways. Answer. Option D development of highways. 19th question. Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana provides social security to Option A all laborers in rural areas. Option B all landless laborers living below poverty line in rural areas. Option C all laborers in urban areas. Option D all laborers in both rural as well as urban areas. Answer. Option B all landless laborers living below poverty line in rural areas. 20th question. Yashaswini Rural Healthcare Scheme is being implemented in which among the following states of India? Option A Andhra Pradesh. Option B Himachal Pradesh. Option C Karnataka. Option D Kerala. Answer. Option C Karnataka. If you like the video, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel.